Hello guys, how are you? Please let me know if my voice is clear and everything is good. I hope everyone is doing good. How was the trade shared in the Asia session today? The analysis was shared in the Asia session today, but the signal was given later on. Hello Nashua, how are you? Did you take the trade today shared in the group? That was an OG trade. Booked almost 200 pips in that trade. This one, here it is. We waited so much long in the Asia session, and uh, right after closing the live stream, I got the confirmation here and given the signal in the group, and you can see the candles. These are the massive green candles hitting 200 pips in under 10 to 15 minutes probably. So yeah, that was an amazing trade. We waited almost 2 hours in the Asia session. The first trade we missed by just 10 pips. That trade was also an amazing one. But right after closing the Asia session, I find the confirmation. The analysis was same for this trade, and I shared the analysis on the live stream, guided about the analysis very well. So I hope those who were on the live stream must have taken this trade and have made good money. Right now, we are currently in this trade. The probability of this trade is that if we break this swap zone, which I was discussing in the Asia session live stream today, if we break this swap zone, we will easily get the price at 4172 very easily. 4172 is very easy if we break this swap zone. Hello love, how are you? Give me your opinion guys in the comment section. Give me your opinion about this trade and give me your feedback about the previous trade shared in both groups. Hello Orange bro, how are you? Yes Nashua, this is now becoming a massive resistance, 4158. That's why I have put the TP1 at this trade at this level, 4158. The second TP is at let me check where was that. The second TP is at 4165, the third TP is at 4172, and the final TP is open. But I think if we hit 4172, we will see the price hitting 4183 very easily. But yeah, this is a massive resistance right now. We need to break this. Previously in our recent signal, the price hit 4165. Yes, the price hit 4165. It was good move because the price tried to break this resistance, but after that, after hitting the 200 EMA, the price went back to retest, but yeah, failed to do that, failed to do a pullback, and yeah, it started going down, as which I described in the public and VIP community. I shared the reason of this movement, this one in both groups. That's why I asked everyone to book profits at 200 pips of profits. But yeah, if we break this swap zone this time, then 4172 is easy. We need to break this swap zone with some force. If this is broken, then 4172, here it is. This can be very easy target. Yeah, Nashwa. You can see the price is ranging from our entry to 4158 level again and again. It's been almost 2 hours. The price is ranging in this area. This means the price is currently accumulating. Once the accumulation done, there will be some kind of manipulation. The manipulation, I hope, should be on the upside, and when it make a manipulation box, I hope the price will break the manipulation box on the upside, so we can hit our final target very easily and can gain massive number of pips. I hope you guys understand this. If you guys have any questions, you can ask me. And guys, stay consistent. I'm gonna drop a massive opportunity for the South Asian people, a massive opportunity for them. This can be the biggest offer which I will be dropping for especially the South Asian people. Make sure to like the stream, guys. So I think Nashua and Swifty are becoming friends. That's good. Currently, we have stop loss at break even for this trade. If we get any pullback to the entry point, we will do the re-entry with very tight stop loss or the original stop loss. Yeah. And if we get any chance to see the price at 4145, 4141, we will do the again buy entry. But for now, we have stop loss at break even, currently holding 80 pips of profits, sorry, 60 pips of profits, and our final target is 4172 at this level, which I think we can hit in today's ISM news. The news is also upcoming in just 15 minutes. That's why I put the stop loss at break even. Here is the news, ISM services. I think during the news we can see the price hitting 4172, but the final TP is still open, because if we hit 4172 then definitely we are going to hit this golden zone, and from there we will do sell. Let's see. Currently this sell is not confirmed, so I'll just mark this sell for me only. You guys need to stay consistent uh, with this trade right now. From tomorrow there will be one live session specifically for South Asian people. The language for that live stream will be in Hindi, because we got so many new members from India. That's why from tomorrow one live session will be done in the Hindi language, and one live session will be in the English language. In future, I'm also planning to go live for the 24/7. No, in just, yeah, we have news in 2 hours. I thought it is in 15 minutes. All. It's still 1 hour and 45 minutes. Yeah, I thought the news will be in just 15 minutes, so I was getting ready. That's why I put the stop loss at break even lol. But now the news is in 1 hour 45 minutes. I just saw. Let's stick with the stop loss at break even. If we need to do the re-entry, we will do here. Guys, please make sure to like the stream. Crazy Alien, if you have seen my gold forecast shared in the VIP group, if you have read that, I am also saying the almost same thing because I think gold can go to 45, 50, 42, 20, and 4300 in this week. But the ultimate target of the goal is still 3800 and 3700. So we need some liquidity from higher levels at 4200 or near. So after that, we can see the price going down near 3800, 4250. 4550, even better. Well, let's see. Okay, our break even hit for this trade. I think we should re-entry. We should do the re-entry at 4-1. Let me check where we can do the re-entry. Oh. I think we can do the re-entry at 4145 and for this level. But yeah, this can be risky because there is no fair value gap, and this fair value gap is already taken. Almost 90% of this fair value gap has been taken. Let's see what will be the reaction. 4145. Don't enter immediately when the price hit this one. We need to wait for the confirmation. To be honest, this resistance is very strong now. The price tried to break this resistance many times, but every time it fails, giving hard time to everyone. Let's see what will be the reaction. Price can also reject from this level 4148. It has only 20% chance. This level 4145 has 40% chance. This has 50% chance. Mondays and Fridays are always like that. Yeah, it is. Okay, so it is rejected from 4146.5, but still not a big rejection. It just move only 20 or 30 pips. So we will stick to our this entry. Okay, we will do the entry here. Let me just check it. Just hit the fair value gap. Small lots entry here. 4145. Small lots. TPs will be shared. Give me a minute. So hold by 4145. Second entry 4140. Sorry, 4141. 4. It should be done with small lots. It's a risky signal because the fair value gap at 5-minute time frame is taken. The 1 hour time frame fair value gap is already taken 80% almost. So this signal is very risky one. Use small lots for this one, and we don't have any supply zone or demand zone right now. Oh, wait. I just saw the 15-minute, 30-minute, and 1 hour bearish fair value gap above. 4145 entry, we are closing the 4145 entry at break even because of this fair value gap. Can close at break even. It's almost there. We'll try at 4141 entry. Just did that because of this 15-minute and 30-minute fair value gap, the bearish ones. Wait for my call at 4141 entry. Wait for my call there. King David, yeah, you know, my win rate is 90% plus, and I prefer quality above quantities. That's why I always avoid those trades in which I get only 10% of doubt. I always avoid those trades. That's why we are above 90% of win rate, because we prefer quality above quantity. And that is the only reason we are above 15,000 plus pips last month and 3,000 plus pips the last week. 15,000 pips is such a huge number that if you have $500 account and if you have followed every trade, your $500 account can be $5,000 account. Now you can see the candle big momentum here. I am getting a little feel that price can reverse from here, but this 4145 is broken so hard. That's why I am looking for 4141 entry. We can also do the re-entry at 4145 only if this candle gives us a big wick on the downside and it's 30 seconds left for this candle close. If there is a big wick on the downside, then we can do the entry. Need to wait for the confirmation. This 5-minute candle which is sticking at this one will decide the next move of gold. We are not entering. We are not entering here. The golden zone has been broke, so this setup is invalid. Yeah, that's why, bro. That's why I was saying I need to wait for the confirmation first. So even if I miss any trade, there is a reason behind it, and still, if we miss any trade, that's still okay because we did not lose anything. So we don't need to rush into any trades. We are good with our profits which we gained in the past trades. And for this trade, which we were currently watching, we did not see any confirmation at this level 4145, and also did not see any confirmation at 4141 level. So that's why we did not enter. It's simple. That's why confirmation is necessary. And waiting always gives you benefits. Some people think that uh, you are just wasting your time by waiting, but it's actually not. You are protecting your capital first. Market always tries to hunt your stop loss, but if you are good at trading, you will avoid your maximum number of stop losses. Now this can be a sell trade because we will soon see a market structure shift on the 5-minute time frame. Oh, it's already done here. Okay, 1 minute time frame is also done. 15-minute time frame also done. 30-minute is also okay. We might see $4,100 level. We might see that. This can be our next possible move. Let's see, wait and watch. We have the news as well. Four one five nine. At that moment we were expecting that the price can break this swap zone, and can go up, but lol, this is market, this is how it works. Anyways, we grab 60 pips here, 200 something pips here. We need a pullback, then we can do the re-entry at sell at 4150. Let's see. It should give us a pullback. Okay, nice selling. Covering the full fair value gap now. The liquidity is taken at this level. The pending liquidity, the 20% liquidity which was pending is taken. Below is also the pending liquidity. This one is marked here. This one. If price gives us a pullback at 4148, we will do the entry. That's good, Krishna. I hope we can get that 300 pips of move. This pending liquidity is already covered 20%. So below this level, from here to here, this is the big zone from where we can expect the price can go up. But for now, it seems like 4100 is easy. We need a pullback before reaching this level. We need a pullback before reaching this level. And pullback should be near 4147, 4148. Should be near this. Then our take profits can be these can be our take profits and stop loss levels. Hello Estimates, how are you? Yeah, if the news is in favor of the dollar, then gold is going to downside. Otherwise, it will be bullish. And the news is coming in just 1 hour probably. So yeah, news is near. Okay, I need to share a signal in VIP group for now. I don't think price will go up at 4147 level. don't think that. Yeah, that's why I was saying I don't think price will go to 4147. Now I think it is going down. I think it should go down. If it goes up, then not a problem for me because yeah, we can do the entry. Guys, please make sure to like the stream. I am okay, okay. Just found one more thing. The price said 41. The mouse 4136. Nashua, you are loyal and consistent supporter. Please DM me. I am giving you 3 days free VIP access again for the second time. I hope you will love this. Yeah, because you are consistent and loyal supporter, that's why I am showing my generosity. So whoever is the consistent and loyal supporter, he is not in the VIP. Please DM me. I will give you 3 days of free VIP access. For 4147 entry, wait for my confirm call, guys. Hello, Cylinder Guard, after a long time, bro. This can be a tight stop loss trade. Hmm, what do you think, guys? Will the price go down after taking our entry? Well, I have already given signal in the VIP group and it hit TP2 already. We are just waiting for the limit order. Okay, so it has taken 4147.1 level. Let's see. I think it is going down. Price is really struggling hard. Four one four nine can be a strong level for sell. Stop loss 4156. Yeah, because of New York session, there should be the volatility. Guys, please let me know if you want educational videos from tomorrow on my channel. Please let me know. If you need educational videos or shorts, something like that, please you can give me your feedback about that. All right, Chirin bro. Yeah, learning with earning sounds better. That's true, bro. You can earn from the signals shared on the live stream and on the Telegram community, and you can learn from the videos. While you can also learn from the live streams as well. All right, King David. So if you need videos on the educational topics, you guys can drop the topic of the videos on which you want the educational content. I will consider that and will make notes to start making the video. Fibonacci levels. Okay, bro. I will consider that. Don't worry, Nashua. After watching the video, you will understand Fibonacci levels very easily and can have grip on this concept. All right, chillin', bro. I will make video on liquidity sweeps. Krishna, bro, 4149. It got hit. Let me check. Oh, only 5 to 6 pips difference. So it's 5 to 6 pips difference. Yeah, 4148 point something. You are welcome, chillin bro. Let me know if you have bought the funded account or not yet. Well, it can't go above this fair value gap. There is 50 EMA aligned with that too. And at 4152 we have the 78% level as well. It can't go above this fair value gap and the level. Okay, so the news is coming in just 45 minutes. Alright, chillin bro. I hope this time you will get successful in your funded account, passing that funded account. I hope this time you will make really very big money. Just stay consistent. If any of you guys did the early entry, or any of you guys, your order is triggered at 4148.4 due to the spread difference, then congratulations guys. You are hitting the TP1 right now, 80 pips. It actually did not hit 4149, but it hit 4148 point something, 4148.5. So I think many of you guys have hit the order due to the spread. But yeah, in VIP group we did a little early entry, and the VIP group is making 200 pips right now with just this single trade. The VIP group, I gave the entry at 4144. It hit the 2 TPs, give the 70 to 80 pips profits in that. And in the VIP group, I give the entry at 414748, I guess, which is hitting 90 to 100 pips right now, totaling of 200 pips or near 200 pips. So yeah, this is how we work in VIP. And you are really very welcome, chillin bro. Joshua, bro, yeah, it can be the case too. But currently, that 414847 entry is running almost 100 pips. So let's see for the price action. I think if we get at this level at 4110, we are definitely going down even more. And yeah, of course, if we break this low at 4131, then this level is confirmed. It's 4110 level. Yeah, it is running 100 pips. Okay, I was speaking from a long time. I just saw that my microphone was off. Damn. I was explaining a lot of things about the entries, about the price action. Lol. Almost speaking from past 20 minutes and just saw my microphone was off. Lol. Bro, you see live? I was using my cursor, uh, drawing some things, some every like the drawings. Lol. I was saying that. Thanks, Indian government. I was saying that there is offer ongoing if you are loyal with the live stream and you think you are liking the stream and sharing it every day, joining the streams. So for those guys, I have an offer. You guys can DM me and can get 3 days of free VIP access, just like I give to the Nashwa right now, because he is loyal with the live stream. So if you think you are too loyal with the live stream, you can DM me and can avail the offer. I was explaining one more concept that whenever you see price making big engulfing candles, Krishna, you are already in VIP, bro. Whenever you see price is already making big engulfing candles, especially the opposite candles, and you are waiting for the entry, then you must need to delete your orders. Whenever you see price is making engulfing opposite candles and you are waiting for the entry, you must need to delete the orders, because this is a this is going to give you a sign that price is going to hit your stop loss very soon. Just like we did remove our buy entry at 4147 because we saw this bearish engulfing candle, and you see the price goes very low. If we were sticking with our buy trade, uh, there can be chances that price can hit our stop loss. But yeah, we got secure from this because I saw the price making bearish engulfing candle, and similar is the case with the buy trades. Whenever you see price is making uh, similar is the case with the sell trades, sorry. Whenever you see price is making bullish engulfing candles, you need to avoid your sell trade. I can show you the example. You see why we enter here? Because the price action was low, the selling was getting reduced, and when price came to my level, I did entry and it hit 200 pips of profits. Now see at this moment, where is that 600 pips move? Yeah. Now see at this moment, this was totally another case. I wanted to sell here. I just saw the price started giving bearish moves from the top, and at this moment there was no candle like a bullish engulfing or big buy candle. So I entered sell and see it hit my profits. You have noticed this thing in my all of the trades which I take live. You must have noticed these things, that whenever I see opposite engulfing candles, I avoid the entries, because if I do the entries, there are lots of chances that price is going to hit the stop loss. I hope you guys understand this. Okay, so 4149 hit, and after hitting 4149 price reached 4143. That's good. I just saw now. That's 60 pips of move, and our stop loss is almost 80 pips. So that's almost 0.9 RR. Okay, price is heading toward our entry point again. We have the news coming soon. Uh, After hitting the fair value gap, price reached 4143 but leaves a big wick on the downside, which is a negative sign. So I am closing this trade at break even. If it hit the break even, currently it did not hit the break even point. Okay, it hit the break even. This big move, this big wick on the downside is not a good sign. After hitting the entry, the price goes down very sharply, hitting 60 or 70 pips of profits. But at the end, this 5-minute candle closes with a big wick on the downside, which is not a good sign. This means price have chances that it can go on the upside. That's why I close this entry at break even. Need to find another ones. Four one double four. It's 4144. If price breaks this swap zone, remember we are going to hit 4200. And if price breaks this low, 4131, remember we are going to hit 4110. Okay, I'm back. Yes, 15 minutes left in the news. ISM manufacturing news uh, usually follows the NFP data. NFP data was bullish, so I think price can go above. In history, if you see the ISM services PMI news and CPI, it usually follows NFP data. And usually NFP follows FOMC data, but this time we see a contrast between the NFP and FOMC moves. FOMC was bearish and NFP was bullish. Yeah, this is uh, the thing which I learned from my experience. I have saw this thing many times in the market. This time there is a contrast between these two things. So let's see. This is the first major event after the NFP data. Let's see if the price follows the NFP data and goes up, or the vice versa case is obvious. Okay, 15 minutes left in the news. I think price can go up. If we see the simple general rule that the ISM services usually follows NFP data, if we consider this thing, then we can predict that the price is going up, hitting 4200. Do you want to take a try on this trade, on this ISM services news? Please let me know. But yeah, remember, this can be volatile trade, so you need to open very small lots. If you want, uh, I can give you. All right, Indian government. 12 minutes left. Okay, so coming back to the analysis for the ISM services news. This was the move which we saw during the NFP data. This one, this big candle. This one or this one? Which was that? Yeah, this one, I guess. So NFP data was bullish for the gold. ISM, as I previously said, ISM usually follows NFP as well as CPI also follows NFP. So if we consider this general rule, we can see the price breaking this swap area and then can going up to this golden zone level. This is the first possibility. It depends. If the ISM services are higher than forecast, then it is bullish for the US dollar. So we can see the pressure on gold. And if it's lower than the forecast, then it is bearish for the US dollar and supportive for the gold. Previously, the data was, let's check the previous data. Previously, the data was bullish for gold, as it is as the original one is bigger than the previous data and equal and almost equal to the forecast. Only a difference of point. Oh, sorry, I'm watching my 5. Last time in June, this data was bullish for the US dollar, as it is as this data was 54.5, which is actually higher than the forecast. Now this time the forecast is 54.2. The previous data was 54.5. I think the data will come at 54.3 or 54.1 level. I think 54.1 or 54.3. If we see this data at 54.1 or 54.3, we can see the price of gold going high, breaking this support area or breaking this swap area and going up, hitting 4200 easily. So that's why I think we should take a buy before the news. We should take that buy before news, but the stop loss can be bigger one. If the data came negative for the gold, then it will hit our stop loss in just 1 minute. So it depends on you guys. Do you want that trade or not? If you want that trade, then let me know in the comment section. I will give you the trade right at this moment, because we can't chase the entries. If we see a bullish engulfing candle, we can't do FOMO and can't do the entry within the midway. We can't do that. So we need to position ourselves before the news or after news. Let me know in the comment section. It's still 5 minutes left. If you want the trade, I can give you. But if you think doing FOMO can kill us, so we can stay away from the news. We can watch the news and can enjoy the market. Let's see. The prediction is, if we break this swap zone, 4200 is real. If we break this low area, which was 4131, 4109 is real. Yes, 50, you are right. 4 minutes left. I still did not receive comments. Do you guys want this trade or not? This big trade. Brazilian, you want that? Can you bear the stress if the stop loss hit? The stop loss can be 4123. If you bear the stress, then I can give the signal. But if you can't, then you can avoid that. If you want the signal, then it will look like this. Yes, Swifty. If you want the signal, the trade idea can look like this. This can be the target. This can be the stop loss. But yeah, only if you want. Okay, news is coming. It's just 3 minutes left. I have given you the idea or already. Crazy alien, then you can enter in this trade. It's on the entry point 4140. The stop loss will be 4122 and the take profit will be 4200. But if the data came negative to the gold, then it will hit the stop loss in just 1 minute or within 45 seconds. And if the data comes in support of gold, then it will hit 4200 or 4172 in just 1 minute. Two minutes left. Be ready, guys. We are ready to dive this trade. I am just using 0.01 lot on my account, even though my balance is big, but still I am using 0.01 lot just to give it a try. Lol. Indian government, I already said that I am not recommending this trade to anyone. I am just sharing what can possibly happen. Yeah. Because Crazy Alien wants the signal, that's why I have shared the entry point and stop loss and take profit point. That's why. Okay, 30 seconds left. You can take the entry, Crazy Alien. It's on our entry point, even below. If the data comes according to my prediction, 54.1 or 54.3, then gold will hit 4200, otherwise 4110. Let's see. Okay, data is releasing. Current price is at 4139. Data is pending. Let's see. The price is stuck at 4140. Okay, 54. Data is 54. My prediction was 54.1. Yeah, very close to my prediction. But gold did not move. Lol. Gold did not move, guys. What is this? What is this? Gold did not move. Is gold pranking us? Yeah, gold stays neutral. I think it is cancelling the effect between the war between the FOMC and the NFP news. FOMC was bearish, NFP was bullish, so ISM news decided to stay neutral. Lol. But the data came very close to my prediction. 54.1 was my prediction and 54.0 is the actual data, which is below than the forecast. It is 40 for the gold. You see, actual greater than forecast is good for currency and bearish for gold. Actual is less than the forecast and previous as well. So it should be sporty for gold. Okay, it is moving. It started moving. It started moving. But yeah, it just moved 50 pips. It's ridiculous because gold did not move potentially. That's strange. Well, I think the reason gold did not move is that the data is almost similar or near to the forecast and the actual one. It's almost near to the forecast. That's why I think gold did not move. The data is near to the forecast, that's why gold did not move. Let me share the update in the group. That's strange behavior of the gold. In just an hour, we have another news. FOMC member Waller speaks. Uh, this is strange behavior of the gold today. Even though today is Monday and the session is New York session, but still gold is not moving. Yeah, let's see, crazy alien. You are welcome, Nashua, bro. Okay, our previous signal for the sell side is now running TP3, almost 170 pips. This signal, which closed at break even, is now running 170 pips. That's strange. Okay, guys, I am ending the live stream for now because there is no move in gold. We'll share the next signal in VIP group and as well as in the public group. You are really very welcome, Swifty, bro. Just closing the live stream because gold is not coming to my levels. It is now confused as well because of news. The data was bullish, but gold started going down and then now going up. So this makes the price action confused right now. That's why I am ending the live stream session for now. Make sure to like the stream, guys. And yes, I will share the next signal in both groups. So don't worry about that. I hope you guys have learned a lot today. And yeah, now I'm going to make a video for you guys. Then we'll edit that and probably tomorrow or day after tomorrow I will upload that. Thanks a lot, chillin bro. You are really very welcome. Okay guys, see you tomorrow. Bye bye.